Yeah. Are we back? Wait, okay. I need to off my volume. Yeah, I guess I'm in the game now. Let me just shift and check whether it is working properly or not. And then we go. We're gonna start reading very soon. Not sure if the link can be shared or not. Can I share this link now? Oh, okay. Yeah, it's working. Is it working? It is. Because my laptop is heating up, Okay, come, let's jump into. We are running at 30 fps. Okay, we CPU is a little hot. Drop frames. Okay, we are ready. So let me explain to you all that this trade is all based on paper money. Okay, so it's a paper trading. So what I want you to do is just look at this. Okay, I'm going to go here. What is this? Not here. Not this. I'm gonna reset. Okay, reset. And here I'm gonna use see, we'll not look at the risks, the money. Okay, risk and reward here, though it is one of the most important thing in trading. I'll try out the strategy first, because I'm gonna do it in 1 minute. I don't want to make it all boring. Okay, so I don't have time to do position sizing in 1 minute. It's going to be so fast, right? So I'm gonna do like in a lot. Okay, so it's going to be like for buying, I'm gonna go for let's say we need 10,000, 10,000 lakh. 1 lakh is okay, right? For buying, and for selling is also 1 lakh. Okay, sorry. So let's get into the game. It's going to be boring. Now looking at the market condition, let's draw support and resistance. So this is a very good support. Okay, this is a very good support. You can clearly see. Let me just put this here so that you can see the screen better, right? So this is a support area. See, look at this. When if you scroll back here, this is a very good 1 2. This was a resistance for 4 5, and there's a breakout again. There's a support here again, support, and it took a resistance here. It supported this area and breakout from here again, and another support here. So this is a very good support area. Okay, this is how you mark the line. Now a breaking of this support, okay, with a confirmation, is going to be very strong. And on the resistance side, if you look at higher time frame, that this is going to be the strongest support, resistance, right? But here what you can see is there's a swing. Okay, 1 2 3, right? This swing, this is a very good resistance. Okay, this is a very good resistance area. So we can see a breakout here, but what I want to do is I want to wait for more confirmation. And even though this is a breakout, what I will do is I'll go for a retest. Okay, a retest, and retest area here or maybe here. Okay, I'm gonna take the trade. So no, okay, that's fine. I'm gonna take a trade in a retrace area, and let's wait for it. No, it did not even give a breakout. Okay, still got 40 seconds left. Whew. Let it break out and let it retest. Can we skip to the good part? I may probably go short if I see a like evening star pattern here. All this line, okay. See, after going up, it make a range as well as a big wick here again, and it's starting to make a range, and there is no proper decision, no proper trend has been taken. So this is kind of difficult, you know. But looking at this, what do you see? It's making a range from the higher side, which means that it is getting ready actually to go long, okay, to give a breakout. Look at this area. Check on my guns. See, in this area here, you see a lot of wick going here. There's a range that's forming here, okay. So if this close above this now after the red candle, so I may go long here because of the red candle here, okay. If it goes straightly, that's fine, but now there's a red candle, so what I can do is I can put my stop loss and in this area, okay. See, I've been talking and it's going up, so it's going too high again. In face a resistance because over is also not very good, okay. See, this is what reacting too fast, right? I'm not gonna enter because it reacted too fast here. Just look at this, and I was trying to enter, but you know, the wick, this is a very strong seller area, okay. I don't putting my stop loss in this area, but we'll see for another breakout again. We want the breakout to be strong, okay, though it has made a range here. This one was not able to sustain because there is even a thing here. Look at this, even this one, there's a very big selling pressure here, selling pressure here, selling. Equally there was a strong buyers as well. And if you look at RSI here, even RSI is showing some strength, okay. See, the strength is still there. I don't use RSI much, but that's no. And you can look at the volume. The volume, there is a lot of buyers, okay. Not a breakout again, it's just a range. And now see, this is a red candle, right? So the price action is forming this way, 1 2 3, right? The price action can form a range here, okay, range here, and any side, be it down, okay, down, we'll go for down trade, right? If it is high, okay, we give a breakout here, then I will go on high side. So there can be two possibilities here, but this is the range, okay. The range is forming from this area, so any side breakout, I'm gonna go in. Now I hope this will be able to sustain. Now it's not sustaining, you know. Look at the line here, okay, it's respecting. Big ultra jump. Now breaking of this area, I'm gonna go short. Yes, 1 2 3, go. I'm gonna go short. Yeah, this is what. See, I have to go short here. Why? Like I said, the price action, okay. I may be wrong, okay, but this is part of the trade. Go short here, make the range, went up, tried so hard, okay, there was a range here, and give a breakdown, okay. So where will be the testing area? This is a testing area, okay, because this is where the breakout happened. Also mean for you, up, down, and red candle, and the inverted hammer, okay, in red. So this is an area of retest, okay. This can be a test. Stop loss will be around here, okay. Stop loss is here, so we'll go for how many pips? I think maybe 5 pips or lesser than that. Yeah, lesser than that. The pips is 3.7 pips, and so our target will be how much? Our target will be at this range, this support area, okay. This will be the support area. It will be 7 7. Let's go for 8. I don't know, it is, let's go here, okay. 9. So we're gonna go for 1 is to nearly 2.5, or 1 is to 2.6 here. Stop loss has been placed. This resistance area is not active anymore. This will act as a resistance. Now the market like I said, it can go up here, okay, it can go up here and then fall back. So we don't know exactly what will happen, but this is trading is based on probabilities. So we look at the price action and understand it and then trade, right? So I'm expecting a support here, but we can see a small reaction. We have seen, because just pull here and retrace here, right? So even this act as a support, okay, though not very strong, because it's in a range, okay, though it may be not very strong, even this act as a support. Or if you want to draw it in a more better way, it's going to be like this, okay. This is the range of support we can see. And even this one, not very much. Yeah, sometimes we can consider it, but if we keep on doing that, you know, it's support and resistance basically, right? About the pattern, I don't want to go so much on patterns, okay, because even here you can see a pattern here, right? This is a trend line. So the place I shorted, and then the area here, right, this is the same as this is a support breaking and this is a trend line breaking, so we get two confluences, right? The RSI is also weak, below 50 now, okay. Seeing live trade is much better, right? It's more fun. Now I have it's time to trail a stop loss. I'll tell you how to trail. Now this green happened, right? Then red happened, then I have to trail my stop loss here, okay. Now I'll not be in a single rupee loss anymore, okay. Now I'm not going to be in loss because I've trailed my stop loss. See how to trail a stop loss. I think I'll explain just while this is happening. Suppose you're buying, okay, you're buying, you bought it here, okay, in a green candle, and then after some time, what happened? After going up, you see a red candle again, okay, and after red candle, you just don't put your stop loss directly. And if you see another green candle, okay, after a red candle, then this area become a support, okay. Likewise, wait, let me just put it here. Here you see that breakdown, right? Even this green candle and red, and this become a resistance area, okay. This become a resistance area. Breaking of this will bring another bull, okay, bull run, an uptrend. So I have to put my stop loss here. I have to trail my entries here, so I'll not be in loss, okay. It's not going to be in loss anymore. So that's the beauty, okay, to trail. Yes, sometimes we miss some very good trend, but still then most of the time it tend to help us, okay. Sometimes it even helps us to capture more percentage, okay. So this is purely live trading of euro and USD with a paper account. So this is the live market, okay. This forex trade like 24, not 24 into 7, 24 into 5, okay. So this is live market that we're seeing, and I think you can learn a lot from live trading. So I'm just sharing what I just know, okay. You know, I have to even practice myself. I'm not a good trader yet, so I have to teach what I know, and you know, so that I can revise and learn more. So that's my motive. So even here, green happen, right? If red happen, I'll trail. If a green continues, I cannot trail, okay. Let the green happen and red happen, then I'll trail directly here. See, I don't need to even book my profit here, okay. But here, what you know, because this area, okay, this area seems to be very important, okay, the support area. That is the reason I've put my target here. Or you can even go down to maybe even this range, like I've talked about the range, right? You can go somewhere here, hover around here as well, okay. But there's a high chance it's gonna get hit. My target's gonna get hit, okay. Forex is it has a very high volatility compared to index and others, so I'm practicing forex so that, you know, I know to handle even the volatility if it happens in index or any other stocks. So practicing from forex is like you're doing the hard thing first, okay, and then you're going for the easy one. It's like that, okay. So my target is actually reaching, it's very near. What I can do now is because now this area, okay, even breaking of this area will be hard, so I'll trail my stop loss around here. Okay, even breaking of this area is going to be hard. Okay, here, this one, it can be here now, but it has gone so much right without even retrace, so this will act as a resistance now, target achieved. So I'm out with the profit. I've explained about this area, right? So what I'm gonna wait here now, okay, to trade again. What I will do is okay, there's a reaction like exactly from the area. I can see some reaction green candle here because this is a key level, okay, but I'm not going to jump in directly. I will wait for a price action to go up again, okay, to trade on the higher side. Okay, I want a M pattern, okay, I mean W pattern like this happen. It don't to be exactly the blue pattern, okay, it's going to be like this or even go up like this, hovering something like this. There should be a strength, okay, in the chart. So that is how I will take, because here I cannot read the price action anymore. This is like an engulfing now, okay, not engulfing again, it has turned into harami type. Just go and have water, you know. Okay, from support, some may say that I can just buy it here, okay, or buy from the support area. No, I can even go for short again, because what can happen here, down 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 down, right? And if you break over here again, okay, if it break with a good candle like this, then it's going to be very strong. Stronger downtrend can be seen, a bigger downfall will be seen, because this is a very key area, okay, key level areas. So a strong break from this we can target for this area, okay. This is kind of a very strong support area, a big range, right? And even this, like this, even this is a one support here, another support. I did not look at this backside, okay, I just, you know, drew a line here, but you know, you see that there has been a support here, resistance 1 2 3, resistance 1, support 2, supports, you know. This is what price action is, okay, market. And you can see another support here. Wow, it's so cool, right? And wow, you can see that there is a resistance breakout here again. You know, see, you need a lot of the key lines that I've drawn, okay, they are important, they are very important, okay. Okay, so you're seeing a run here, right, after a harami candle with a very good volume. There you can see an up move, but still this up move cannot be considered as an uptrend move, okay, because now the stock may even trade in this range. So what you want is, we want a very good price action, which means that yes, you should have an indication, you know, that the buyers are strong, okay, that indication should be there. So for that, we need a price action to be formed, right? Why would I trade where the price action is not formed, right? Even if you see that, if you say that this is a support area, you can just go and buy blindly, because support, if it is tested to 3 times 4 times, then that support becomes very weak, right? Same with the resistance. So it's a no. See, it's falling again. So what I would think of buying now, okay. Now, like I said before, I'm waiting for a M pattern, inverted W, not inverted. Inverted W is M, right? I want like this, something like this, or it can be even exactly like this, any style, okay, but I need the price action to go long. Let me do some beatbox. After looking at the chart, my beatbox became okay. Okay, now I may consider increasing, but I am not very confident. You see that the price reacted, okay, here and here, right? Now it's going up, so I should go for long, right? Okay, no, see this one it changed, so wait for confirmation. Okay, wait, you can at least go after 5 seconds. Okay, 0 point now 12 11 seconds. Oh, I'm even go short, but not exactly. I'll not go short here because it's too big. The stop loss area will be too big. Okay, I want, even if it goes down, I want it to like this. See, it did not see exactly it. Just test it here and went up again, so I cannot go short. And I'm expecting the double pattern is forming. Okay, now a breaking of this area, I'll go long. If it does not, I have to change my mind again, right? So see, this is what the trading is not about, like having a fixed target. Okay, your mind cannot be like, no, it should be only bullish or it should be only bearish. Okay, it's not like that. You know, it's going to change automatically, and you should know how to react when that changes. Okay, because here there are a lot of money involved and a lot of news and a lot of psychology, a lot of mindsets are inside this chart, right? So we wait for confirmation, and even if it is showing a very in the starting phase, if it is showing a very bullish move, but at one single moment if you see some bearish phase, you can, you know, have to execute it. You shouldn't go long. Okay, you should not have that biased mindset that, oh, today you should go up or today it should be bearish. No, anything can happen. It's a probability game. Okay, so to trade probability, we need to have a very good risk management, right? Position sizing, and then a pattern. We should understand it properly. Okay, so see, I was even ready willing to short, but then after this pattern, no, I have to change. I'm getting ready to short, but I did not. Okay, now I'm looking to buy again, but I'm even changing my mind. Okay, now would I buy in this area if you ask me again? Okay, no. Why? The resistance is here, so what will be my risk reward? See, I will not get if I buy here now. Okay, by here my stop loss will be here, so my target is here, so which means it's not even 1. Okay, I have to go for 1 is to at least 2. Like if I buy here, my target, see, if I buy here, okay, my target should be oh, it's so big. The target should be 1 is to 2. This is a minimum target I have to go for. Okay, so to achieve this, it's very difficult, plus there's a very strong resistance around here, right? So why would I go here? Tell me, why would I go long here when there's a resistance here? This is what people make mistake, thinking that even this is a double pattern, right? This is a double pattern. Okay, but you see resistance here, so market will not be able to give you the amount, the desired amount that you wish for. Okay, though you may go up here and retrace again. You'll see some selling pressure, so that is the reason I'm entering. Okay, that's simple. If it break out, that's fine. Okay, if it break out, we'll see some red candle. Don't worry about that, let it break out, and if it retrace and give some signal, we'll go in, we'll go strong. Okay, so because targeting at this area is kind of foolish for now. How many minutes have I been streaming? Oh, 22 minutes. Let's look at some. We can even draw a trend line like this sometime, you know, like this. Okay, or there can be even a trend line like this, but here I will not look for trend line so much, just simple support and resistance. Why not trend line in small time frame? Because small time frame trend line seems to give false breakout. Okay, false, this one in bigger time frame. Okay, bigger time frame, like let's say one day to 1 week, or 1 year. 1 year is too big. like 1 day to 1 week or even 4 hours, they give a perfect pattern. Okay, so it's nice to trade based on that. But like triangle patterns are very common, right? Range, falling wedge, rising wedge, uh, double bottom, any type of pattern. Okay, but I've been saying to people, even people, okay, that double bottom and double top, okay, this is one of the pattern that we can trade in intraday, okay, small time frame, because they give more better price action. But triangle and all, it's a little difficult to trade. Okay, if you have a very big stop loss, then yes, that's possible, because here you can see another falling wedge pattern here. See, falling wedge pattern here, right? And yes, it was achievable, but according to the trailing stop loss, you will not have earned, okay, because you got exited here. And suppose I trade here, my stop loss will be here, target 2, okay. But you see, before it reaches target, stop loss has been triggered. Or if you don't trail, then you can take a risk and go for a pattern in small time frame as well. Now if you enter here, if it's stuck here, now it's making a range here. So in this range, if we give a breakout, I may think of entry. I feel so sleepy. आजा प्रभु मेरे तेरे सरगुणते oh आजा any sides. Now it's making a range again, okay. I'll go long or short based on the direction they move. Now it has made a range here after a big move here, right? Oh, okay. I haven't said it now. Range. I may think of going short now.
그래, 그냥 하자.
Puncher work.
술아, 술이 그거 되래.
You don't put on as well. Don't put on as well.
아니래.
It's not jungle more, is it? Nên rồi tao
xong rồi đây.
cái gì là chứ?
Cho nó cái gì part đó.
Trên cái里面很多，好像来弟弟来这些，
这弟弟。
个人没有啊。I will not short here because it's too big again. See, stop loss here. There is a support here again. Okay, trade inside this range now will be very difficult. If it is from top side, then that's going to be good. But see, inside this, it's not an easy because the candle is also so big. See, if I go short here, I cannot short here, right? Stop loss will be here for sure. Okay, target will be around here, so it's not even one. Doesn't make sense, right? If I go for this, there is a strong support here, so why would I even think of that? Though it is a range, okay. If it is going small back, small area here, okay, that's fine. In this range, the difference is that in this range, okay, we're able to get higher because I went at 5 seconds, right, early, and it was around like this. Even if I put here, okay, even if I short it here, I would have get even 1:5, which is just okay. Okay, but here no, it's hard. Support here, even one is hard. See, why would I take trade like this? See, so you see here the people who go long here, right? It's gonna be a foolish decision. Now go up, you'll act as a resistance in this area. Okay, this area act as a resistance. So if you see some reaction here, okay, then we'll short with a one small red candle will short here. No, it's not closing, so we cannot confirm, right? Okay, so imagine if I shorted here. Okay, there's a reaction exactly at the line I have drawn. Okay, there's a reaction. Let's see. This candle make a direction. What is the RSI showing? No. Now I may get a better setup. Okay, now it's weak. Now this area is broken. Okay, then I'm thinking this support will not be sustainable now. This will not be sustainable. That's what I think. I'll short it in 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, short it here. Okay, I'll short it here. Now because this support has been tested many times, okay, I'm thinking that this will not be strong. This support will act as a support now. My stop loss will be 5 pips around here. 5, I don't know exactly. 5 is no, it's very high now. It's 7.4 pips. So I will remove this area. Okay, target will be 7, I'll go for 14. Exactly, it's going to be how much? This one I'll get 1:2. okay, if it is according to my trend, because this support has been tested many times and it's not showing stronger area here anymore. Okay, that is what I feel, that it's not strong anymore. I have to remove this support area. Oh, why? Before I was saying something that I just stopped, right? After making a very big candle, okay, a very big price action breakout or breakdown, they usually tend to pause a little bit, okay, in most of cases. So they have to digest, after making a very big momentum. So this is what is happening here: a big momentum, a digest, a big momentum, a digest. Okay, a big momentum, small digest against a candle here. Momentum digest. Okay, this is what happened: a big momentum, a digest here again. It's not gonna go like big. No, it doesn't work that way. Okay. Now the support, break it. Now it's still taking a support in this area. Now it's showing a reaction, a green candle here, okay, and another red candle. Then I'm gonna trail my stop loss. Okay, so the probability here that the support is not strong anymore, it's taking support and going up, but that's fine. Green candle here and red candle here, directly I have to trail here my stop loss. Okay, cut your losses small. This is what we do.你这呀，你这，
Oh shit.
你带光速对吧？对吧？
As.
不弄翻译什么？
Dia pun mohon lagi. Oh my god.
啊，那不弄什么？不给对比吧？
Ini sebenarnya.
Push on me. Okay, now we see a red candle. So if it closes in red candle, I'm gonna trail my stop loss in this area. Okay, so my losses will be very minimum. It's gonna be half of my risks, right? In 40 seconds we'll decide whether I can trail or not. This is my first day live trading, so it's like really tiresome. 35 minutes. Wow. Come on, let it be a red so that I can trail it. It's green again. I cannot trail. As long as it is green, I'm not be able to trail it. Trust me, now it's making range here, right? Small range here. If it break down from this area, right, this will not be respected at any means. Okay, if it break down like this now from this area, right now if it break down here, this support is going to be like nothing. Okay, because this is a strong area now because of the candle. See a reaction here, right? Ya, apa kata Pak? Ya, baru tuh kami ya. Enggak. Zoom aja tuh nomor.
Zoom. Zoom 너 채널.
Apa? Last blend nonton apa?
Cuma na face kucing bulu.
Hah?
Face.
Apa kata Pak? tuh masuk, tuh semua. Udah. Last ini tuh kamu ya. Starting tuh semua. Langsung ini Pak. Okay. So time to trail my stop loss. 10 seconds. Yes, I'm gonna trail now. Okay, I have to trail my stop loss. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I'm safe in this area. Okay. I'm safe. The breakdown is not strong enough, you know. Now even if I lose, I'm gonna lose half of my risk has reduced, so it's safe, you know. After this trade, I think I may stop the live stream. It's taking a lot of time now. I'll take a race. If the stop loss get hit, or if my SL, I mean my profit get hit, then I'll stop. This will be the last trade. Okay. Avocado baby. Iron ba? Gigi. So I could have trailed my stop loss in the same, it's only in the same area. It's gonna hit now. And I'm gonna go out with minimum losses. It's gonna hit. Come on. So it's like hovering around this area, you know. It's not strong anymore. No direction is being chosen. See, this is what Forex is, the volatility in a small this type is so high in Forex compared to stocks. Okay, plus I'm trading 1 minute, so you can know the thing that's going on. Okay, it's hit. I'm not even looking at the screen now. It's hit. Okay, the trailing stop loss is hit. So this is it for this video, and I hope you have understand the trading area, how it is done. So thank you so much for watching. If you're watching this, bye bye.